It's so fucked up.
You guys.
You joking?
No, Cassie drunk.
When you guys went back?
Did you just fucking...
Like how early is it?
Literally we got.
Like, yeah. Well, call. We're gonna try and leave pretty early.
Eat where?
I don't know.
No, just leave.
Yeah. Record this. Yeah, take this camera too. You're closer to him.
Are you streaming?
Yeah.
During lunch?
I'll stream it.
Oh,
I'm not streaming.
you were streaming?
That was me.
What you guys later? You guys live in the night? I've done it before.